Hey, what's up, everybody? Sean here. We're gonna do an unboxing of what's in this. It does look like we have a bit of forklift damage here or something, so let's hope that there's nothing too major. I did go ahead and I loosened all these little tabs around the side, but let's just see what is in here, shall we? Seems to be well enough crated. All right, so we have some styrofoam packaging. Doesn't look like that much of it though. So we do have some styrofoam packaging. Small little piece there. Let's see what we got in here. I'll see what that is in just a little bit. Controller. This is the controller. Let's just set this over here a minute. I'll see what that is in a minute. So it looks like it's well strapped down. Looks like there is a screw that came off something. We'll find out what that is in a minute. I'll put that in my pocket right now. Yeah. Oh man, this thing does look good, doesn't it? But let's see if we can get these sides off now. Oh, look at this, guys. Whew, the size of this thing. Oh. Oh man, look at the size of this thing. So it's actually well strapped down into there. Huh. Weights are a little loose. Let's see how these straps get open. So they have it. Seems like they have it really well strapped in. Yep. They're actually pretty decent straps. I'll be keeping them, that's for sure. Ooh. There we go. So they did have it really well strapped in, guys, and it looks like where the forklift hit the box, it didn't do any damage anyway, so that's a good sign. So even everywhere they had the straps, they did put good protection on it. Man, this thing is humongous. Look at the size of this bucket and this thing. Look at that. That is crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy. Oh, so they even give you end plugs for all the extra things. So there's one of the end plugs just sitting in the bucket there. So it looks like for the hydraulic lines that are not being used at the moment, they actually give you nice plugs for them, which is a cool touch, I think, anyway. So guys, this is just a quick unboxing video, and then I'll do another video comparing it. So let me just see, do a quick run around it. Because I'm going to have to charge the battery for it. I'm going to have to charge up the batteries, get the controller, see what it's like. So this, guys, is not a decal. This is actually a custom CNC piece at the back of this. And the reason I went with fully custom black and white is because it matches my dozer. I know some people will say, oh, it's not a white machine, it's yellow, but in Europe we got a lot of white Caterpillars as well. So I know everybody else will have a yellow one and be like, oh, here we go. So let's just take a, this is nice, guys. This is just on magnets. Oh, there's stuff in here too. Oh, good job I did open that, guys, because here's more stuff. Oh, that's a charger for the big battery, I think. There's a look around the inside of it. So they did give me another battery here. And then the top, guys, that's just sits right in, clips right in. So I guess that screw that I found earlier is actually for the counterweight. Counterweight. Somehow, what's the screw go in there? Oh, yeah, right there. Because that's how you actually unscrew it from there to get the big battery in it. I'm not sure. Doesn't look like, looking at the tube, there's any hydraulic oil in it. So through this cap here, that'll just fill all the hydraulics. So that's what I'm saying, guys. It's just a quick unboxing for a look at this. So we'll get another video when I get everything all. We'll get it all charged up. I'll get some hydraulic oil in it, and then I'll also do a comparison with the 374F. But man, this thing is an absolute monster. Actually, let's see what was in this stuff, guys. So, it's lucky I took the back off of that already. Let me see. Okay, so that's a figure. Give me a driver figure for it. I probably will see if that mask comes off his face. There's the door itself is actually pretty big. I just don't know how to open it. See, this is what happens when you bite your fingernails. Yeah, I gotta figure out because it's a pretty big cab, guys. So let me just see. That will be a cool figure. I'm sure that mask comes off his head somehow. Oh, it does. Perfect. So he had a weird mask on. So it's a driver figure for it. It's pretty cool. He'll sit inside there and drive it. I'm sure I might have to do some modifying to his jacket to get his legs to bend enough. But let's see how that door opens, guys, shall we? Grab a screwdriver. I don't have any fingernails right now. There we go. Perfect. Look at. So this is it, guys. All the doors open. Again, no fingernails. It doesn't help. So this is where my big massive battery will end up going. I do like that they give you that outer little battery as well. Let's see what's inside these doors. That's just to your pump motor. That's your valve block. Your pump motor. Man, this is a beautiful machine. She'll be digging well at cabin fever, that's for sure. So next step, guys, get it all filled with hydraulics, get the batteries all charged up, and take it from there. I guess these are like, if you want to add the GPS, things or something. I do like it. It has the hooks for if you wanted to lift the counterweights on and off. Again, that's the first one to have this CNC plate on it. I think you can buy them now if you want, but it's pretty cool. So I'm definitely going to enjoy this piece of machinery. Peace out, everyone.